Hey everybody, Dustin Troy in here, and it's not even 7 o'clock yet, and the Porsches are coming in. The event's just starting, and cars are showing up. Scott Stanley, General Manager, Porsche Woodland Hills. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everybody.
How are you?
Oh, look at this.
Blue looks great on you.
Top down, drive into the sunrise.
Look at that.
Day.
Beautiful day, right?
When you get down here, it's a beautiful day.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Supercar Sunday brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. New store on Ventura Boulevard, PorscheWoodlandHills.com. Check it out. More to come. It's going to be a great day. And a little birdie told me we're going to have a ton of Porsches, more than ever, coming in. So get out here, come enjoy yourself. We'll see you in a little bit. Dustin Troy, Scott Stanley, GM Porsche Woodland Hills. What are we doing today, Scott?
Oh, we're having a blast. It's a beautiful sunrise. Drove in the Spider over here. The 718 Spider, which, by the way, is so underrated. Every time you get into a 718, every time I get into a 718, a couple months ago we were on Big Willow in just a Cayman S. It was one of the funnest cars. Everybody was having fun. We had a GT3 out there. We had oh,
that happens.
that happened. Anyways, look at this. We got the new colors of Taycans. These are the 25.
Well, let's go
Taycans.
look at what you drove into. I love the color. What color is that?
Shark blue.
Shark. I mean, it just jumps. And this is available at the store.
This is available.
So if somebody wants
it,
it,
will be available tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So this goes up on the floor tomorrow.
Just needs some miles to spawn. But look at the interior. Look what they did. It was everything you could add. Carbon fiber.
Wow.
Inserts. Or the.
So the event just got started. We're pushing towards capacity. Why does Porsche Woodland Hills, why does your team come out to Supercar Sunday? Why do you do it? Why are you guys part of the community?
How do you answer? There's so many different answers. Look at the people and the positivity and the fact that everybody has a Porsche story. A couple of people have Ferrari stories only, but yeah, the Porsche stories, the lifestyle, the being a part of this with everybody is amazing. Look at the teams out here, all smiles. Why do you do it?
You know, I've been doing it well over 20 years, and it wasn't until probably the 8-year mark that I realized that I love people more than cars, and cars allow me to bring people together. And I think that's kind of knowing you now that we've become very good friends and understanding who you are. I know that you understand the value of that for not only the community, but actually for the world. I mean, this is how the world should be. Everybody having a great time, getting together.
Yeah.
And I want to thank Porsche Woodland Hills.
Howard
And Scott Stanley and his team, because we get everybody out here.
For getting up early every Sunday for 20 years.
What would I be doing? Sleeping otherwise? So, great morning out here. SupercarSunday.com, PorscheWoodlandHills.com.
It's a little after 8. Yeah. Get out here.
Get out here. More to come. And anybody, I'm going to say the same thing I always say. I'm going to get you stuff. If you need a Porsche or service a Porsche, you support those who support you. And Porsche Woodland Hills supports our Southern California car community. So if you need a car, start with Scott Stanley, Porsche Woodland Hills. You can message me. I'll actually make the time to meet you at his store and walk you through the process if you ever bought one. Because of these guys, we're all here, the entire car community. Everybody, hot rods, rat rods, muscle cars, trucks, exotics, you name it. And thank you, Porsche Woodland Hills.
Thank you, Dustin.
Check out this Spider. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Hey, good morning. Back here at Supercar Sunday, brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. What a good morning. Still early, but we're packed. You know, everybody kind of comes all in at once. Check out this thing.
I would have noticed.
Yeah, once in a while I come out.
Okay.
And
Thanks for
I
bringing
didn't
it
have
up.
any, I lost my Sundays because I didn't have enough seniority to keep it. And today's my first Sunday back in 6 months. I think it's going to last. I've got your Porsche almost 35.
What an incredible morning. Real 9:30. The cars keep coming. Fun stuff.
Drove it into.
Morning. Beautiful morning. So cool.
I know. I just have no fucking idea what it is.
GT3 touring. We had a group come in super early. They pulled out. This will all get refilled in probably 5 minutes because the cars keep coming. So cool. What a great day. We're gonna walk down here. Quinn's here. I saw him driving the other day. So cool. Where would you take it?
Nuremberg.
Honestly, I just want to. I would just want to go on this thing. You know what I mean? Audubon for sure.
PCH.
PCH.
Canyon's to PCH. Grab some lunch. Canyon's back.
Try not to get caught in traffic. Right?
Yeah, now yeah.
Good turnout, Dustin.
Another beautiful day.
Supercar Sunday. Yeah.
Love it. He's one of the most passionate guys you ever meet. Awesome.
All right. Come over sometime. Okay.
Morning. Thank you for being here. P Club. No, they're beautiful. They keep coming. Nice little 356C.
How you doing?
Another beautiful day. Thank you for being here.
Hi, Dustin.
How are you? It's great to see you.
Nice to see you.
Rolling the Speedster today. Gotta love it. To be wicked. John's car. John always gets a lot of cars. He's car crazy. Our friends at LAPD, always
Hey, how you
here.
doing, everyone? Come over here to Pierce Cottage, have some fun.
Big part of the community right here. Topanga Division, the best, right here supporting the community. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Gotta support law enforcement. They support us. Gotta love it. All right, I'm gonna sign off for now and make some announcements on my bullhorn. Great day out here. Thank you, Porsche Woodland Hills. Drive down Ventura Boulevard. This is what the new store looks like. There you go. That's all you need to know. PorscheOneHills.com.